guess I had to go to that place to get to this.
Here they come. Kyle Larson out to the lead, trying to keep it over his fellow Kyle in this heat race. Larson's going to get turned by his teammate. Chase Elliott spins him out for no reason. First heat race loss of the season for the 5. Busch wins. Here they come. Bowman 19 points below the cut line, trying to make something happen. He's going to turn right into the 62. Crashes. Oh, man, he almost gave it to Keselowski. That would have been a blunder, but the 48 ekes it out over the 6. Here they come. Chastain, Suarez, neck and neck. Ty Dillon trying to stick his nose into this. Ty Dillon has the lead, and he's going to win it at the line. Puts down a 6-8 and beats a championship 4 contender. The 77 wins it. Here they come. SVG, the early advantage. Run goes to Connor Daly in the 50 car. He's trying to get into the championship for SVG. Somehow flips on his own behind the field. Connor Daly will get the win in the 50.
I shouldn't have to rhyme these words in the rhythm for you to know it's a rap. You said you was king, you lied through your teeth. For that, fuck your feelings. Instead of getting crowned, you're getting capped. And to the fans, I'll never let you down again, I'm back. I promise to never go back on that promise. In fact, let's be honest, at last.
Here they come. Allmendinger out to the lead over his teammate Chandler Smith. He's going to get into Chandler Smith, gets into McLeod. Chick hixes them both. Allmendinger an easy heat race win as Smith crashes hard with Ty Gibbs and BJ McLeod. Here they come. Justin Haley already locked into the championship 4 and a huge lead over his competitors, but he's going to hit the wall. Oh, man, he throws it away. Byron almost choked it as well. We almost saw Chris Buescher win this heat race. Here they come. Travis Pastrana out to the lead in the 67, trying to lock up a spot in the championship 4. Gets turned into Almirola, who thought he had an opening for a second. And Travis Pastrana makes it a must-win for anybody below the cut line, gets the win. Here they come. Bubba Wallace out to the lead, needs a win to get into the championship 4. Priest spins behind him. There's his competition. He hits the wall. He throws it away in a huge upset. You have to be a bum to lose to Austin Cindric. Oh my goodness. It was my decision to get clean. I did it for me. Admittedly, I probably did. Here they come. Denny Hamlin out to the lead in the 11. Gets into Tyler Reddick, his employee. And Tyler Reddick's going to crash hard with Michael McDowell. A huge flip. Lands on the roof and flips across the line to the 34. Haters can make like bees with no stingers and drop dead. No more beat flingers, no more drama from now on. I promise to focus only on handling my responsibilities as a father. So I solemnly swear to always treat this group like my daughters and raise it. You couldn't lift a single shingle on it. Cause the way I feel, I'm strong enough to go to the club. Here they come. 2 Penske cars. What do they got for JJ Yaley? One's already out of the picture. Ryan Blaney, what are you doing? Logano, what are you doing? Taking that from JJ Yaley. What a bum. Crashing hard. Yaley will win. Here they come. Brennan Poole out to the lead. Can it make it 2 Rick Ware cars in the knockout stage? No. LaJoy coming out of nowhere, and Poole somehow throws it away and crashes with Todd Gilliland into the 38. Here they come. Chase Briscoe, Martin Truex Jr. neck and neck. Here's a run from Martin Truex Jr. You have never seen anything like this in your life. The 19 beats the 14 on speed. Never mind Jimmy Johnson. Here they come. Barring calamity, Travis Pastrana has already locked up a spot in the championship 4, and Kyle Busch, JJ Yaley got nothing for him. Busch hanging with him for a while, but in the end, the 67, an easy win. Here they come. Martin Truex Jr., Alex Bowman, neck and neck. Look at the speed this 19 car has this race. He's going to get it done and officially eliminate the 48 of Alex Bowman. What a race for the 19. Here they come. Spire Motorsports splitting the TMT car of Connor Daly, but Connor Daly walls LaJoy and outruns Ty Dillon, who also has had some pretty good speed this race. In the end, it won't be enough for the 50. Here they come. One of these is not like the other, and it is showing. Nevertheless, AJ Allmendinger and Denny Hamlin are going to try to give the race to Austin Cindric, but the driver of the 2 car, he's just stupid, so he's going to hit into Denny Hamlin. Allmendinger spins across.
And when I go, that casket better cost $100,000. I pray to God I look my killer in his eyes. Snatch his soul out his shirt, just take him for
Here they come. Can the 19 continue the Cinderella run? Connor Daly out to the lead, but he's going to throw it away. Chokes harder than the Atlanta Falcons, and Martin Truex Jr. eliminates the 50 car and moves into the finals.
Jerry Jones money, nigga, you a running back.
With that happening, this is essentially a matchup to decide the championship for. Allmendinger would have to go on to win, but he's going to throw it away. He thinks that's just too hard for him, so he's going to crash and give it to Pastrana. He'll compete for a championship. Here they come. The 50 and the 16, neck and neck. This would be a consolation prize for both of these guys eliminated from the playoffs at this point. Connor Daly walling the 16 of AJ Allmendinger and continues his dominance over the GoDaddy car. 2 Toyotas in the finale. Martin Truex Jr. going for his first NDRS win. He's not going to get it done in round number 1, though, and an early advantage for Travis Pastrana going for his 3rd win this season and gets it done in round 1. We'll see if he can do it again in round 2. How hard is Truex willing to fight for that first win? Not hard enough. Gets it down to 2 tenths of a second that time, but it won't do it. The 67, a huge race.
I'ma take your money, I ain't never drop a dime. You ain't take nothing from me in the hood every day. Bitch, I'm good, what I say? Bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a boss. Bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a boss. I play the shots. I call the calls. We in this bitch. It's going down. Yeah, I'm the king that with my motherfucking crown. Bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a boss. 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 I play the shots. I call the